Hello, I'm Michibit, your crypto kitty friend. I'm holding my tail high of happiness as I see you here at Silverbit, where we all learn crypto. I've got another great topic for you today. We are going to talk about crypto wallets. I am going to explain to you, step by step, what a wallet is, how it works, what types of wallets exist, as well as the advantages and disadvantages of each of them. Oh, and before I forget, I want to ask you a kitty favor. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you can hear me meowing every time we upload a new video. Okay, time to start. A crypto wallet is a computer program that allows us to store our public and private crypto keys, which are the ones we need to send and receive cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, through the blockchain. A wallet is a set of 26 to 35 alphanumeric characters. This number identifies your wallet to send or receive money between crypto wallets, just like your bank account number identifies you to send or receive money between banks. How does a crypto wallet work? It is important to clarify that in reality, a crypto wallet does not store cryptocurrencies as something physical or virtual, but rather, it only stores a public key and a private key. Remember that the blockchain is a database of transactions, and wallets serve as a way of storing keys that tell us who is the owner of X amount of a cryptocurrency. Your public key is like your bank account number or your email, as it identifies you in the public blockchain network. Your private key is like your bank PIN number or your password, which you should never, ever share with anyone, and it gives you the right to transfer or spend the cryptocurrencies assigned to your address. The private key is a 256-bit number, and this makes it completely secure. A 256-bit number is a cryptographic encryption method that, due to its length, would take years for even the most powerful computer in the world to decrypt. What types of wallets are there? Crypto wallets are broadly classified into two categories: hot wallets and the cold wallets. Let's talk about hot wallets. These are the ones that are connected to the internet. They are easy to create, access and manage, but at the same time they are vulnerable, since anything connected to the internet is a possible prey for a hacker. Hot wallets are in turn classified into two types: web wallets and software wallets. Web wallets are the most used worldwide by people who start investing in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. These wallets are the ones that we obtain automatically when we open a new account in an exchange such as Coinbase, Binance and Kraken. If you open your account at Binance for example, and buy Bitcoin, this is deposited into a hot wallet, connected to the internet. Well, like I said, the keys to that Bitcoin are the ones actually deposited. The experts in cryptocurrencies and blockchain criticize the use of this type of wallet, since with those, we are not the owners of our private keys, but the exchange itself is the one who controls them. This is called a custodial wallet, because we do not control our key, but rather it is safeguarded by a third party. Not your keys, not your coins. This saying is well known among the crypto community and refers to the above topic. The main risk of this type of wallet is that, by not having your private keys, your secret key and main access and right to your cryptocurrencies, these are hosted on the company's servers, and if those are hacked, your private keys could be stolen, along with your money. The other type of hot wallets are software wallets. Unlike the previous one, with a software wallet, you do own your keys, since they are stored on your device, be this a computer or a smartphone. This type is called a non-custodial, or self-custody, wallet, since you have sole control of your private keys. These wallets are a program that you install on your device, and your keys are stored in it. It is important to mention that there is always a latent risk, because if your computer or device is hacked by someone, through malware or virus, that person could have potential access to your keys, and therefore to your money, as this wallet is still connected to the internet. I want to clarify that having a wallet in an exchange does not mean that you will automatically lose your money. If you open an account with a solid, long record exchange, like the ones we mentioned above, the risk is much lower. But it is equally important that you understand that you do not control your keys, they do. Let's now talk about cold wallets. Cold wallets are storage mechanisms or devices that are offline, that is, they are not connected to the internet at all. They are considered the safest mechanism to store your cryptos, since not only are you the absolute owner of your private keys, meaning, they are non-custodial wallets, but at the same time, there is no way that a hacker can access them. The only way you can lose your cryptocurrencies is if someone physically steals your wallet and has access to your seed phrase. Seed phrase? Sounds weird, right? I'll explain to you right now. The seed phrase is a set of 12 or 24 words, randomly generated each time that a new non-custodial wallet is created. These words make you the absolute owner of the coins in that wallet. These words are your money, therefore you should never, I repeat, never share them with anyone who you do not want to have absolute access to your cryptocurrencies. If something happens to the device where your cryptos are stored, you can regain access to them by using this seed phrase, which gives you back access to your public and private keys. Cold wallets are also classified into two subcategories: paper wallets and hardware wallets. Paper wallets are a mechanism for storing your public and private keys literally, on a piece of paper. Basically, this is a printed document that contains a public address where cryptocurrencies can be sent, and a private key. The best way to operate with this type of wallets is through the use of QR codes, so you scan them to perform transactions. This prevents you from having to manually type the wallet addresses and potentially make mistakes. You can generate a paper wallet using services like BitAddress or Bitcoin Paper Wallet, which allow you to create a random public address with its own private key. Then you must print the generated document and come up with the necessary security measures to protect it. Hardware wallets are electronic devices that store your private keys and at the same time, are completely offline. Many look like a USB device, sometimes with a small screen, and the newer ones are larger, like a smartphone. The most recognized brands on the market today are Ledger and Trezor, but there are other brands that are already gaining quite a bit of popularity. These hardware wallets have a great advantage over paper wallets. This, because they have a security chip that prevents your private keys from being entered into a PC. To manage your holdings, you simply have to enter a PIN code in the wallet. Most of these have an application for computer or smartphone, for ease of use, but your private keys never leave the device. In addition, if you lose your wallet, the device breaks down or is damaged by water or fire, you can restore back access to your cryptocurrencies, with a new device of the same or similar brand, by using your seed phrase. Well, I hope you have learned quite a bit about crypto wallets. If you have more questions, enter our social media now, or visit our website, and leave us a comment. We will be happy to help you. The links are available below, in the comments section. Thank you for watching my video. Remember, I am Michibit. And if you found this video helpful, and you want to see a kitty purring of happiness, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Meow. See you soon. Hey again, it's me, Michibit. Here are more videos made just for you. Pick anyone you like, or feel free to make a suggestion of what content you would like to see in the channel, down in the comment section. And by the way, if you subscribe to the channel right now, I get one bonus cookie. See you in the next video.